boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. You don't know the thing set, we're blessed. Back at it with this quick update so you don't know the thing set. Let's just kick it off with dancehall King Vybz Kartel, because it seems like these social media experts is claiming that he's buying fake jewelry and fake clothing. You see what I'm saying? He has responded to them. So let's take a listen to what his ops is saying and then we'll proceed.
Look, we need to have a conversation about Vybz Kartel. And fake clothes, fake jewels, all these things. This Artwell guy, I think this Artwell guy's ripping Kartel off. I'm not gonna lie. I think the boss just doesn't know better. We've got this Cartier. Looks awful. In my opinion, you can get much better ones. Look, similar thing, bust down, 12,000 euros. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure this guy's ripping man off. We've got the fake Man City kits. Like, what the hell is Polo Club, bro? You got Sidham in this flipping fake Man United kit, number 100. I don't know what's going on there. Nothing to say, you know what I mean? Fake Jordans, stitching's looking mad, man. Like, come on, boss, man. What's going on? Who's letting man buy?
Yeah, I know, see, a girl just tell me about a little bad man, hungry belly boy, we talk about my jewelry fee. I'm there and I one of my house them. And I say, oh, well, when people hungry, you know, it's a blood clot thing, you know, it's a hell of a thing when you're hungry and that stuff, you know. If you're not strong, you know, you're just bad man and corrupt down. Yeah, man, I 85,000 for the jewelry them, man. I'm even not talking about the Rolex and the ring I'm going to buy when me in a prison. Yeah, me there? Yeah, dog. I mean, not talk about the vehicle them I'm own and the houses and the land. And a matter of fact, I touch the road night, just flash we down $4 million. You know it go? Yeah, cause I say make a bad man waste boy like you know. We like to know. Say man rich and happy, you see it? Yeah man, say make a hungry belly boy like you know, dog. See what I say? Yeah, well, big up guys there, shall I?
Okay, people, I'm going to put in the comment section when you think about this situation, because obviously I don't business how I want to spend their money, whether them I buy real things or not. You see, I say, I them work for them money, so them have all right to spend it however them feel like, and you don't know the thing set. He has many land and businesses and all of this stuff. You see, some people so buying all of these expensive things, as him say. It's nothing to him, you know what I mean? Because the man have investments. His kids are straight. They have like over 50 acres in the Palmer family. You see what I say? So we don't know say him good, you know what I mean? So I don't know why people is really, targeted him, you see what I say? But he seems to like all the attention because he is now blessing bad man with more things for them to worry about through them red eyes when them are watching, you see what I say? So he just made another $200,000 purchase, my people, on this piece of machine.
Fully charged, and then from this, basically, you probably get another 400 and something, right? On the inside, it's actually black leather with red stitching, so it's fully leather in terms of the cockpit, as you can see, with lumbar support. The legs can be extended and stuff.
How much is it?
This one is going for 33 million. It's listed at 38. So it's currently on. Right? So it's in full electrical mode. Alright? It has the wireless charging system right here.
Full. But
there's something on the back of the phone like that holds it. No?
and she have on a phone case. Like this. 33 million. I will buy this. I like it.
Yeah.
Gaza Nation. See no beast here now. See that? I'm out.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that, but people are even saying that him's fool for spend so much money on car and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? But speaking about cartel, you know, say the people them catch Alkaline not lie trying to keep up with the world boss, because as you can see, the people them must say he's like, he's occupying all 1 to 10 spots on the iTunes. But the people them say I lie, them I tell them you can read the comments what the people them must say, because I probably like 1 spot him up on the tunes. You know what I mean? And people them is noticing that I am team. I buy all of him old song them, you see what I say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. People putting in the comment section, how are these nowadays dancehall artists going to survive now that the king is back? You feel me? And he's planning on signing new artists, you see what I say. So, people like Shensi and Alkaline is going to have a hard timing at this, you see what I say. But nevertheless, let's proceed to the next. Now, Yohan Blake, Olympian, is urging all people to come out and check out his establishment despite, the hurricane advisement in Florida. You see what I say? So let's check out what he has to say and then we'll proceed.
I've been busy working under the cover. And one of the projects I've been working on is that I'm opening a restaurant in Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale, Butchers Barrel. Come on down on October the 8th and celebrate with me. Wherever you are, if you can fly come, fly come. You don't want to miss it. A lot of nice stuff going to be there. I know we all do it already. So, October the 8th, Butchers Barrel, Oakland Park, Fort Lauderdale.
Yes, my people, the thing nice, you see what I say, and the prices are definitely reasonable based off of my observation. So, if I'm not definitely in the area or, the 15 square mile radius, I'm gonna go visit and support a fellow Jamaican. You see what I say? Because like I said, the prices is nice. You see what I say? This is how the establishment looks inside and things. You see what I say? But it's definitely a good look, you see, because you don't know the things. So it's always good to see people investing in themselves first and foremost, because most athletes and, dancehall artists in Jamaica don't do that, Once, them time is up, that's basically a wrap, you feel me? But like I said, I'm just giving them an update while I go on for to go on and go out this and show some support is it. Okay, people, some shocking news coming out of Jamaica. I believe a 32-year-old woman body has been exhumed after a man confessed to burying her. This man said the police them is on the scene right now, as you can see. This man said, from what I'm getting from this story, it looked like the two of each other grew up with each other, and you don't know the things said, my people.
Box some picture on 88377757. 88377757. Yeah. 88377757. 88377757.
Yeah, the crowd grow. Really sad story, man. She has been missing since September 28th. Yeah.
I'm putting out a comment section where you think about that. As you can see, the Gaza artist them is back in the streets performing, you see what I say, and that's definitely a good look. And definitely not a good look for other entities out there, because we are not seeing them in the streets, supporting, you know, the dance venues and things with some people, and that's gonna play a heavy role in the near future. But we'll deal with that topic then later. I'm not gonna long with this no longer. You see, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.